So I just wanted to recap a couple of things that we talked about since we haven't went over in a while, especially about matrices for your tests. So just want to make sure that you understand most of these concepts. Practice them. I'm going to do a few of them and try to get you reestablished with what a matrix is and its purpose. So let's go ahead and jump into some of these problems. If you look at number one, it says identify the dimensions of each matrix. Remember, for a matrix, we always identify the dimensions by the rows, by the columns. So here, if you look at matrix A, it has 2 rows by 3 columns. So this is a 2 by 3. Go down to matrix E. E has 1 row by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 1 by 5. So I'll let you work the rest of those and try to figure those out. Now, the other thing we talked about in matrices was what we call the position of the elements in the matrix. So if you look here in this matrix, for instance, it is a, let's go ahead and identify the dimensions again. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 4 by 5 matrix. And here I want you to identify what is the position of X. Remember, we call every value inside the matrix. This is the E11, first row, first column. E12, first row, second column. E23, second row, E32, third row, second column. So look here at X. X sits in what row? Well, X sits in the, X is equal to the E, it sits in the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth row. And it's on the second column. So this is the E42 element.